For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Delhi Capitals and Rajasthan Royals will clash in the 30th match of IPL 2020 in Dubai on Wednesday. This will be the second meeting between the two sides in this year's IPL as they last played against each other on October 9th. Delhi dominated Rajasthan in that game and emerged victorious by 46 runs on the back of an all-round performance. Heading into the game, Delhi is well placed at the second spot in the points table with 5 wins in 7 games. Rajasthan currently occupies the second last spot in the points table with 3 wins in 7 games. However, Rajasthan Royals has done well against DC historically and holds an upper hand. Rajasthan Royals and Delhi Capitals have squared off against each other on 21 occasions in the cash-rich tournament, and Steven Smith's side holds a slight advantage. Rajasthan has won 11 games while Delhi managed to win 10 matches. None of the games between the two sides resulted in a tie or no result. The Delhi-based franchise is clicking on all parameters with their bowlers and batsmen looking in great form. The youngsters in DC have performed exponentially in the tournament so far, which has been the reason behind the franchise's success. Delhi's fast bowling tandem of Kagiso Rabada and Andrik Notke is in good form and will prove to be lethal duo moving forward as well. On the other hand, Rajasthan batsmen have been struggling for form despite registering a win in their last game. Rahul Tewatia has proven to be the X-factor for Rajasthan Royals as he has won a couple of matches for his side. Jofra Archer will be crucial to Rajasthan's bowling as a right-arm pacer might trouble Delhi batsmen with his raw pace. Delhi Capitals have an upper hand over Rajasthan when it comes to the last 5 matchups between the two sides. When it comes to the last 5 encounters between the two sides, Delhi Capitals have dominated Rajasthan. Shreyas Iyer's side has won 4 games while Smith's side emerged victorious only once. None of the games between the two sides resulted in a tie or no result. It will be a crucial match for Rajasthan and they will look to seize the momentum and put together a comprehensive performance in Dubai. On the other hand, Delhi Capitals will be eyeing to bounce back after losing the last match against Mumbai Indians. Another win for Delhi will certainly give them an early advantage over the other teams when it comes to making it to the playoffs.